Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word introject. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The therapist helped the patient recognize and work through the introjects from their past experiences that were negatively influencing their current behavior. Introject refers to internalizing someone else's beliefs or attitudes, often unconsciously, as if they were one's own, impacting thoughts and behaviors. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.